I've probably mentioned this before. Yes, I did draw a Megaraptor. But that's something I'm going to reveal in the future. And you're right. Tonight we're going to actually draw what the creators of Jurassic Park actually brought into the movie. Instead of using velociraptors, they use prehistoric animals known as megaraptors. Yes, megaraptors are in fact the true species that they used in Jurassic Park. And in the new movies that came out in 2015. That was the year I got Cabo. How sweet. Alright. As you probably would have noticed, velociraptors have feathers. Megaraptors don't. There we are. And before we continue, I've got something to show you. I've got some new additions to my deck. These ones you already know. Let's see, what else did I obtain? Remember these? Funny. These are the new Digimon that I received from last year. I even managed to get the one I wanted from Florida. Yeah, I got War Greymon. And yesterday I got myself a jackpot. Look, I finally got Stingmon! That's not even a... And there's more. I even got these. Now then, shall we resume? Whoops, wrong card. There we are. That's how you draw a Megaraptor. fix that. There we are. And done. There you are. That's how you draw a Megaraptor. Of course, Megaraptors have been one of the best creatures that I've gotten to show off in Jurassic Park. And basically, Megaraptors were mostly shown in the series, and they never really concerned what an actual Velociraptor looked like. This is what they actually look like. Actual Velociraptors have feathers. This one does not. Basically, most raptors have feathers. I don't know why that they didn't include the feathers on the upper half of the skull for this raptor. Anyway, Megaraptors were a big hit, only they changed the name to Velociraptor. I don't really know why they do that. I might get in touch with them one of these days. And I might tell them about they should change the name from Velociraptor to Megaraptor. That's what they really are. Anyway, that's how you draw a Megaraptor. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm this close to getting 1,000! Alright!